At least 4 people are now homeless after fire gutted their house off Sly Pen Road Monday morning. We have more from Kelisha Williams.
Smoke, charred rubble, wet furniture, and streams of water. Signs of the massive fire which started in this 6-bedroom house off Sly Pen Road in Kingston sometime after 8 Monday morning. The fire was observed while some of the occupants slept. So instead of completing a peaceful sleep, they had to spring into action, scrambling to save property. Unfortunately, they did not save much.
I was over by my shop and I heard somebody bawling out for fire. When I look, I saw some heavy smoke going up in the air. Then people running from all different angles. We had to run into the girl house, took out our bed, our dresser. Our son was there. He's autistic. I take him out and I carry him over by the shop. There was so many excitement, people crying out for help. It was devastating.
The victims say their losses run into the millions. Among them, Letia Wright. She is a dressmaker who also made her living from home.
I lost my big king-size bed, big mattress like this. I lost my dresser, my whatnot, my machine, my big industrial machine, another small machine, and my serger. Set me back a lot. Because I don't, as you see, I only this have on my back of. I don't have nothing.
Today is also Miss Wright's birthday, a brutal turn of events on what would have otherwise been a day to celebrate. The official cause of the fire is unknown, but it is believed an electrical issue triggered the blaze.
I smell something and I touch my fiancé and tell him, say, water. I tell him, say, I smell something. So by the time I rushed to the living hall, I saw that fire was in the corner of the house, right? So I rushed to get water for out it, right? And then me see, when me come back and I out it, it start to smoke up. So me have to run. So I couldn't save nothing at all. And me and my fiancé and him sick bad.
The victims say they will now be sleeping with relatives who live nearby while they contemplate their next move. Units from the York Park Fire Station responded to the blaze. They were able to limit the blaze to 2 homes. One of the homes is destroyed while the other suffered minor damage. There were no reports of injuries as a result of the fire. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.